Come and explore a world full of sound. Sound is an adventure just waiting to be discovered. It's anticipation. It's in dedication. Sound is in surprise, in joy. Sound is love. Like a moment you'll forever remember. It can inspire, help us to understand, and it can keep us together. Sound can excite and take you to new heights. It can ignite emotions within. Sound is the reason that since 1947, we've remained passionate about turning hearing challenges into life-changing moments. For the children who need to hear before they can learn to speak. For the people who want to reconnect with the ones they love. Because together, with hearing care professionals around the globe, we believe that with sound, life is on.